Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-Minute Gutenberg, and in this video we'll discuss the users and output of the gallery block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign and go to common blocks, select gallery. You can upload your images here or select your images from the media library, or you can drag and drop your images. I'm going to upload few images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add your custom caption to the images, like this is a booth, so a leaf, work, coffee, globe, anything you want. You can change the number of column if you want, like 4, 3, 2. I'm choosing 2, it's good. Alright, you can link your image to a media file or attachment page. You can also add your custom CSS from this option. Let's see what happens to the output. So this is your output, and you can see everything is perfect, and I can see all the images with the captions too. That's all for now. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. We'd love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.